Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Maxima Platinum. 2017 Nissan Maxima Platinum, power, luxury, and style in every ride. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 122,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Fasten your seatbelts for the 2017 Nissan Maxima Platinum. Powered by a V6 engine delivering 300 horsepower and 261 foot-pounds of torque, this beauty feels like a rocket but is street legal. Packed with features, it boasts heated/cooled front seats, a panoramic sunroof, Bose premium audio, navigation, and blind spot warning for safety. The brilliant silver exterior will turn heads, while the charcoal leather interior feels like sitting on a throne. With 21 mpg city and 30 mpg highway, you'll save on gas without sacrificing style. In excellent condition with a clean Carfax, this Maxima is ready for you. Visit us and take it for a spin today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.